This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Alex Stradick. Beautifully restored and updated 1895 Victorian 3-bedroom 2-bath home, in the historic York neighborhood on a private, landscaped, and fully fenced 4,356 square feet lot. Gorgeous moldings throughout, clawfoot tub, fir floors, covered front porch, high ceilings, natural light streams through tall windows. Updated plumbing, wiring, windows, exterior paint, and rear deck with composite planks. Main floor bedroom and full bath, updated kitchen. Upstairs are 2 bedrooms, a large bathroom, and a bonus room overlooking Franklin Street. Don't miss the secret place / storage room behind the built-in cabinet. 1,027 square feet unfinished basement / workshop has room for all of your things. Great location and walking distance to Nelson's Market and downtown Bellingham. For more information, review the details below or contact Alex Stradick at 360-739-4071.